Pooja Prasanna joining us live now for more on this. Pooja, it's absolutely unbelievable that a flyover like this that is being proposed can even get the necessary environment clearances if it requires and necessitates felling of trees, as many as 800 of them.
And that isn't the only issue with this flyover. Also, the current estimate of this flyover is somewhere around 1,800 crores. And from what we understand from experts, it could go up by another 350 crores by the time the project is even implemented. And that might not even solve the entire traffic problem on Airport Road, which is where this is planned. These are some of the concerns that have been raised by citizen groups across the city for the last 1 month. But the only clearance that the project has gotten has been from the state government. There is no clarity as to what is the roadmap going ahead, how this will actually integrate with the rest of the plan for the elevated corridor on that particular route. Several questions, very few answers coming from the state government, even as they try to bulldoze their way and say that by the 1st of November they will go ahead and pass the order to begin work on this flyover. As far as the protests are concerned, there was a massive human chain that was formed, and today as we speak there are city MLAs who are meeting with the government, and later on today there is a memorandum that will be submitted to the Karnataka governor seeking his intervention in this matter.
Right. So you're saying that at the moment there is a meeting of the members, citizens of Bangalore with the MLAs trying to thrash out the issue. But this looks like a might is right kind of a situation. How is it that, this even needs convincing? Because especially when you're saying the flyover doesn't even become a solution to the traffic woes.
And this has been done without the consultation of the experts, because just on Sunday there was a panel discussion that was organized by several citizen groups, which also invited technical experts and people from various fields, including historians, town planners, architects, and all of them were of the opinion that not just will it be very, very detrimental to the environment, because over 900 trees in fact will be chopped down, but also it will only increase the pollution problems, because let's remember this is a steel bridge we are talking about, and that will only make matters worse for this city that is already suffering from traffic woes.